Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a new group for your contacts and friends in a Discord mobile application on Android. So let us guide you through this. So guys, open up Discord mobile and tap into home in the bottom left, and after that into that speech bubble in the top left corner to access the list of your messages. And next guys, tap into that speech bubble in the bottom right corner here to start a new message. But instead of starting a new message, simply tap into new group here. Just like that, and after that start creating your group. So let me do that really quickly. You may, for example, tap into these checkboxes here to the right to select the friends or contacts of yours to add to your group. As you can see guys, here at the top you're allowed to add up to 10 members to a group. So let me invite that user and also that one as well, and after that tap into create here in the bottom right corner. Of course guys, you will be counted as a member of the group as well, so in that case here that would be 3 out of 10 members, and after that the given group will be created so that you may, for example, start a group chat with the given group here. There you go. So that's how you create a group or group chat in the Discord mobile application. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.